Well, welcome back.
Yes, hey there.
Subway Sundays time with
Subway
A&P
Sunday,
Adventures.
that's right.
This is
Hi.
Patrick, by the way.
Oh yeah, hi, and this is Aaron.
Yeah, thanks for joining us today. And right now we are at the corner of 6th and 28th Street.
That's
no,
right.
I lied.
No,
We're 28th and Park.
Oh, Park, right.
Well, we're going to be going to the 6th train. You can hear the busy traffic beside us. So the 6th train is the green line. We'll also see zipping past us the 4 and the 5, which is the express.
Yeah.
There's some cool artwork down here.
Yeah.
And the artwork, well, let's just make our way down, and we'll talk about it as we make our way down.
It is springtime here in New York right now, so the artwork in this subway station is indicative to the time of year.
Yeah, perfect. All right,
Let's go.
Here we go. All right, we're making our way down to, again, the 6 train. So this runs up kind of the east side of Manhattan. Really, it runs from the Bronx to City Hall in Lower Manhattan. And again, this is the local train that we're on right now.
Want to show where we are?
Yeah,
let's do it. Here's a subway map.
So this is the 6 train right here. I mentioned the express line as well. So it runs in the middle of the 6 train uptown and downtown tracks. And it'll split once it gets up to the Bronx and when it goes out into Brooklyn as well. But the 6 train itself will end down here by City Hall.
All right.
And could be coming into the station as we speak. Oh no, that's the uptown side coming in. Let's make our way in though and show off some of the artwork that's in here.
Yeah, let's do it. We'll use our phones to check in through the subway turnstiles. So.
All right, so today's work we're going to see is by Nancy Blum, B-L-U-M, and that's a perfect name for today's work.
Yeah.
Perfect artist name, because we're seeing all blooms here at 28th Street.
Yeah.
And this is all glass mosaic that you're seeing right here. And this was installed in 2019 at this station. Now, Nancy is a botanical sketcher, and then her sketches were turned into these mosaics that you see right here. And ultimately, they're going to be, you'll be seeing 7 different flowering plants that are sourced from nearby Madison Square Park. Madison Square Park is just a few blocks away from us. And here you can see on the plaque, 2018 glass mosaic, fabricated by the Myoto Mosaic Art Studios. So she did the sketchings, and then they created these mosaics to be installed here. And these are all sourced from Madison Square Park, which is not too far from here. We'll see redbuds, we'll see witch hazels, daffodils, hydrangeas, magnolias, hellebores, camellias. And the idea is that she wanted to bring the garden below ground, which is thus the name roaming underfoot. So that while you're waiting for the subway platform, you get some nice views of the garden all around you.
It's really cool. This is a massive mosaic, by the way.
So again, our artist today is Nancy Blum, B-L-U-M. Perfect name again for for this installation. Now you can check out Nancy's website, www.nancyblum.com, B-L-U-M, and she even has downloadable PDFs that you can color. Make your own colors for the flowers.
Yeah.
You can also check out Nancy on Instagram, and it's at Nancy_Blum, B-L-U-M, again.
Yeah, even the mosaics for the subway stations themselves are really cool. You can see here we're at 28th Street subway station right now, the 456 line.
And again, the flowers that we're seeing from Nancy today here in this station are all indicative of the flowers that you'll see at Madison Square Park, just a block or so away. And here we have some daffodils. So they are all going to indicate redbuds, witch hazels, daffodils, hydrangeas, magnolias, hellebores, and camellias, and some lilacs. So we're going to let you enjoy these flowers. Here we go.
Yeah.
Attention everyone, 5 trains are not running between 149th Street Grand Concourse and East 180th Street because of track replacement. As an alternative, take the 2 train.
The 5 train is having some issues this
Yeah.
weekend. So check your schedule before you leave
Yeah, it
town.
has a cold. Well, there you have it, Nancy Blum. It could be Blum. Nancy, if you're watching, please put in the comments if it's Blum or Bloom. And
Yeah.
if it is Blum, why don't you go by Bloom? Because it's
With
all about
this
blooms.
mosaic, oh my gosh, these flower mosaics are so incredible.
Yeah.
And yeah, if you happen to be watching, Nancy, we're a huge fan of your work.
Again, and you can check out Nancy's website, nancybloom.com, BLUM, and she has downloadable PDFs where you can color in your own flowers
That's
like
such a
this,
fun thing.
like this station.
You can get them for your kids or your grandkids.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
So be sure to like us, subscribe if you're so
Yeah.
inclined. Leave us a comment if there's a subway station you want us to check out.
All the things.
They have one they want us to check out. And yeah, we'll see you on our next tour. Thank you all for joining us for our Subway Sunday series.
Yes, we'll see you soon.
All right, take care.